Hey Dad, can I go explore this store?
Sure thing, son. I will call you when I am checking out.
Okay, Dad. I wonder what prank I can do. Oh yeah. I am going to put hair dye in shampoo, so that the next customer gets hair dye in their hair. Hey Dad, I'm on my way.
Okay, next thing on the list is to get shampoo for my hair.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Louisiana Governor's Office of Emergency Preparedness. This is a reminder that the Earth will be experiencing a meteorological event tonight. The effects this will have are unknown at this time. Residences are to shelter in place for the entire night, until sunrise tomorrow morning.
Exactly what I'm going to do. Thanks, Diesel. I'm going with the red hair. I'm gonna go get a cleanse, just in case this scrap doesn't come out.
This is not a test. This emergency message has been transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration and local civil authorities. This warning is effective immediately and will continue until sunrise tomorrow morning. You are advised to not look at this event with the naked eye.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WTBR-TV. We will continue to serve the Baton Rouge area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Baton Rouge area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming has been discontinued during this emergency. This is WTBR-TV. This station will continue furnishing news, official information, and instructions for the Baton Rouge area. If you are not in the Baton Rouge area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your area. It is important that you listen carefully to announcements from the station in
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Do not look at the moon. The blood moon is deadly to see and will kill anyone who looks at it. Repeat, do not look at the moon. Shelter in place. Your death will occur if you look at the moon.
Rouge area. If you are not in the Baton Rouge area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your area. It is important that you listen carefully to announcements from the station in This concludes operations under the emergency alert system. All normal programming will now resume.